Oh, we'll edit that out. Hello and welcome to another episode of Adventures of the Cotswolds. So today I am joined by these two wonderful people, Mand and Soph. So we're going to go up Bredon Hill from Kemerton. I'll put up a bit of a map now. So it's a fairly straightforward walk today. We start from the Kemerton Cafe and Crown pub. We follow the route up onto the hill, across the farmland, all very well signposted, onto the ridge, past the summit, and then we walk back down through the woods, back onto the road, back into Kemerton. It's going to be a really nice day today, nice and clear. Let's get some good views. We look like Dorothy in the Scarecrow in the Tin Man. The end of it road. Blue, how are you doing? How'd you do, Blue? So this, what you can see behind me on the summits of Old Bredon Hill, is Parsons' Folly, commissioned in the mid-18th century by a John Parsons. And the most famous story regarding its construction is that Parsons wanted the hill to reach a height of exactly 1,000 feet. And since the natural summit is roughly 981 feet, the tower was built to bridge that final gap. And it's also believed that this inspired a much bigger but local Broad Bay Tower, which is also a Folly. This microphone picks up shit like that. Let's check it out, mate. Oh, he's in. He's having a bath. Oh, he's all slidey, look.
No, you can't get that.
Mm. It is. It's a great sound, isn't it? Yeah.
Oh my god!
Is it? It's so funny though. There's situations you put yourself in, you just think, what am I doing with my life? Like, it's beautiful, isn't it? I don't know if it's just one house or several.